Hey guys, I'm Anthony Fuller. Today we're going to be looking at the 257 BHS from Freedom Express. Has the outside kitchen and it has the newer steps on it. Come on, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, folks, coming into the door to your right here, you're going to have the main bedroom. It does have the swerve around television and the entertainment system right in the center here. You do have USB ports on each side and plug-ins, and you have nightstands on each side of the bed. So if you have a CPAP machine or something like that, you have a spot to put it. You have the hanging closets on each side, and you have overhead storage, and of course you have the storage under the bed. Then coming out, you have the U-shaped dinette booth that also folds down into a bed. You have pin lights at the top, and you have windows on each end of the slide. Then you're coming over to the left side of that, you have pretty much a nice closet here or a pantry that you can hang stuff in, or you can put groceries in. Then you walk to the bathroom, you have a nice tub in there with a shower curtain, and you have a toilet, and you have a skyline. You can get up to about a 6'3" or 4" size person inside the little dome there. Then outside of that, you have your two bunks. They're the white bunks, not the little bitty bunks. They're the white bunks, so you can get a grown up can crawl in the bottom. I don't know about the top, but you can get a grown up in the bottom one. And then under that, you have a little storage too. So if you have suitcases and stuff like that, you need to have a place to store it, or a dog kennel or something like that. You have space under the bed. On the outside of that, you have the nice outside kitchen as well, which I know people are gonna love when they have kids and they don't want the kids coming in for snacks and stuff. You can just make everything right outside. Then to the kitchen area, you have the nice 8 cubic refrigerator capacity. Then you have your 3 burner stove, you have your 2 sinks, and you have your hood for getting out the smoke, and then you also have your microwave. This is a really nice trailer. Some features about this trailer: it does come with the Asdale, and the benefit to Asdale, it absorbs rain and water, and it is not affected by humidity. Um, it's aluminum frame on the inside of this trailer, and then you have the exterior is going to have that fiberglass, and then in between that you're going to have the Asdale, which is Asdale is 50% lighter than wood and 30% warmer. So this is a really nice trailer. It's vacuum bonded floors, vacuum bonded ceiling. You will love this trailer. It's extra lightweight. So if you just have a small half-ton truck, you can definitely tow with this trailer. One of the best trailers we sell out here at Guarantee. All right, folks, thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Anthony Fuller, 541-653-2818.